Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK. Welcome back.
Yep, another episode. We're here again. Woo.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're trying to upload once in a week.
Once a week. Yeah, that's the plan, but we'll see.
Yeah, we do that.
Yeah, well.
Okay. Anyway, so today's topic is about cleaning.
Yeah, we had a big clean. It doesn't look like it behind us, but we had a big clean of our apartment today. So
Yes.
we want to maybe explore some words around cleaning.
Yes. I already prepared some photos on the phone, so I'm gonna show you, and then maybe you can just show them.
Okay,
Alright?
sure.
Do you know how to say cleaning in Japanese?
So like, I don't know. I'm
Try.
fearful. Oh, is it like
Alright.
soji?
Yes.
Oh,
Soji.
soji.
Soji is actually noun if you use that, but
Okay.
if you add suru, it's gonna be a verb.
So like soji suru
はい。
or soji shimasu.
はい。
Got it.
So what if how would you say past tense?
掃除した
Mm.
or 掃除しました
Hi. That's right. That's great. So I kind of prepared like last images here, so I can show you, and then you can answer what it is.
Okay, so we'll try to put the image up on the screen and
Yep.
then we'll see what it is.
All right. So first one is this one.
I don't know what that is.
Oh. Do you know how to say in English?
In English, it's a vacuum cleaner, or we say in Britain, we say a hoover.
Hoover.
Mm.
Ooh. Vacuum cleaner in Japanese is zouき.
At least you mean it's like cleaning machine, right?
Yes.
Interesting. Sojiki.
Yes. You already
Soujiki.
remember.
Yeah.
That's pretty easy.
Because in one of our previous episodes, it was shingoki, right? Or
Right.
jidou hanbaiki,
Oh, good job.
right? Machine. Okay,
You remember that.
got it.
What about the second photo here?
I don't know.
Oh. Do you know how to say in English?
English, it's a broom.
Yes, right. So, wooden broom or like other stuff,
Mhm.
right? So we call it hoki.
Hoki.
I
Hoki.
don't know where it's coming from, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hoki. Interesting. Okay.
Third one is a little bit also difficult.
Yeah, I don't. Well, we call it a dustpan,
Okay.
but
In
How do you-
Japanese, it's chiri tori.
chiri tori.
Mm.
Chiri tori.
I think chiri means a kind of like a small dust,
Okay.
dust.
Mm.
And then tori
Mm-hmm.
means like a pickup.
Okay. Oh, that makes
So-
sense. That makes sense.
Pick the dust up kind
Mhm.
of thing.
We'll have the kanji. The kanji would have been on the screen already, so you can make that make sense.
Hokkien and chiri tori, we don't use kanji.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, well, never mind then. There won't be kanji. There'll just be.
I don't even know how to write down.
Interesting. Okay. Well, I lied.
Okay, what about like this one?
That I don't even know. I mean, I guess it's a mop, but it's
Mop
not.
is
It's
this
not
one,
like a
though.
mop, really. Yeah, but that would also be a mop.
Funny thing, I call it quick wiper, which is
yeah.
a brand.
It's like a floor wiper kind of thing.
Oh yeah, you say floor wiper?
I guess floor wiper. Yeah.
Yeah, we
You say quick wiper.
quick wiper.
Quick.
Quick wiper.
Okay.
But this one is just a brand.
Oh, okay. It's like Hoover in England. We say vacuum cleaners are Hoover, but Hoover's just a brand.
Oh, okay. It's like pocket Wi-Fi as well.
Like pocket wiper, or like what do we also say? Sellotape. We say sellotape, but that's a brand,
Yeah, we say sellotape too.
right? Yeah.
Okay.
When it's like sticky tape, it's the actual name of the thing.
Okay. Okay. I don't know much about cleaning words in
Okay.
Japanese, to be honest. Because this one, how would you say that?
Oh, see, I only know. Funny, I only know the Japan. Well, we say like a roller, like a sticky roller, I guess.
Oh, sticky roller.
But I know in Japanese it's koro koro, right?
That's what I say.
Yeah.
So correct me if I'm wrong. Do you know how to say this one?
Floor cloth.
Oh, in English?
Yeah, in English.
What
yeah.
about Japanese?
I don't know Japanese for this one, no.
Oh, the Japanese is zokin.
Zokin.
So
Okay.
zokin's kin is cloth.
Cloth? Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, zokin's zo is I don't know why
Okay.
they say that. It might be difficult today, isn't it?
A little bit. I think this one's going to be a real challenge in the review.
Yeah, right. Do you know how Japanese kids use zokin in school?
No, I don't actually. I guess they clean with it, right?
Yeah, but they actually need to use and then like wipe the floor
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Also, they run across the floor with it
Mm.
and like almost like skate across the floor.
Yeah.
That's
So
kinda
like
cool.
see people tag together and then like run it.
So they run across the floor and then they run back.
Yeah.
And grid clean. Very
Yes.
efficient.
Yes.
Cool.
I don't know if it's efficient or not.
Maybe not, but it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
There you
Like
go.
you know, like oh, who's gonna win first? Kind of thing,
It's
you
like a
know?
race, right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So I used to do that too.
Nice.
That sounds. Do you have a cleaner? Like, do you need to clean up school in the school?
No. That's Japanese culture, not so much.
Oh, who cleans it then?
The janitor or
Oh,
the caretaker.
caretaker.
Or the
Okay.
cleaning staff would take care of it.
Yeah, I think we had a janitor, but we call it Yomuin-san. But he doesn't need to. He doesn't even do anything. I guess.
Okay, he just sits there and just gets a paycheck.
I don't know.
That's a sweet job. I should apply for that. Okay, so let's get on to the review part of the episode where I'm going to fail miserably at remembering what we just learned.
Okay.
Here we go.
Should I just show you the photo?
You can just give me the names.
Okay.
English names, do you know?
Oh, vacuum cleaner.
そうじき.
Okay. Good. Bloom.
Broom?
Is that L? Oh.
Broom. Ah.
Oh shoot.
Broom.
Broom.
Broom is... Wait. Hawkey.
Oh, good. What about dustbin? Bin.
Oh, God, this is... Chiri Tori?
Oh, good.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna skip Quick Wiper because
Okay.
it's a brand.
it's a bit weird. Yeah.
What about the floor cloth?
Floor cloth is Zorkin.
Wow, that's perfect.
Got it.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Your Japanese is getting better, I'm sure.
You could argue.
Yeah, so that's it.
That's it for this episode. If you really enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and we'll keep making them. If you didn't, please give it a thumbs down. It helps us know where we can improve. Also, you can write a comment in the link down below. Did you learn any new words? What other cleaning words do you know? You can leave it in the link down below. Maybe we'll cover it in a future episode. And also, if you want to see more of these videos, you can hit the subscribe button, and that really helps you get notified when we put a new episode out. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Can I know why you say hit the subscribe button?